If you've been self-publishing your manga or have thought about it, then this video is for you. Most beginner mangakas who self-publish think they're leveling up. Some of them do, but most of them are just quietly killing their growth and they have no idea. In this video, we're breaking down how self-publishing works, why it could work for you, how it could be a trap that keeps you from growing, and what to do to turn this into a real opportunity instead. We're sharing these insights after working with over 400 beginner mangakas, pro-Japanese manga artists, and a pro manga editor with over 50 years of combined industry experience. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether self-publishing belongs in your manga journey and what to watch out for. Let's start with how self-publishing actually works. There are typically two paths you could take. First, you could publish your manga digitally. You can post on platforms like Global Comics or Manga Plus Creators, the official partner platform of Shonen Jump. Don't worry, these platforms are free. You can set up your own website like our student Nick. He built a dedicated website to publish his own manga. Or you can simply just post your manga on any social media platform like Instagram, X, TikTok, or even YouTube. The second option is to print physical copies and then sell them at comic conventions. This one's a bit more complicated. You'll have to learn about printing margins, finding a reliable printer, and figuring out how to get a table at the convention. We'd recommend doing this once you're a bit more experienced actually making manga. The thing is, we can talk about self-publishing and how to get your manga out there, but if you've never even finished a single one-shot, then we gotta fix that first. If you've been saying you want to make manga for years, but still don't have a finished one-shot, then book a free one-on-one manga consultation call with us. On that call, we'll look at where you're at right now, your pages, your ideas, or even just your concept, pinpoint the number one thing holding you back, and map out a clear 60 to 90 day plan to move you toward a contest-ready one-shot. If it makes sense to work together, we'll invite you to join our online one-shot manga drawing program, and we'll show you how we work with pro-Japanese mangakas and a pro manga editor in our weekly live Zoom sessions. Otherwise, if it's not a good fit, you still leave with a plan. If you're ready to finally commit to your manga, then just click the link in the description and the pinned comment to book your free one-on-one manga consultation call with us. Why do people choose to self-publish? The biggest benefit is total freedom. First, you have complete creative control. You get to tell your story exactly how you want it, without an editor or publisher trying to tell you otherwise. This is always one of the biggest concerns we hear from you guys.
Will an editor force me to change my story? Kill off my characters? Sacrifice my vision for the sake of popularity?
Well, with self-publishing, you can do whatever you want. You don't have to worry about that. Plus, you probably heard about the grueling deadlines that pro mangakas have to meet when they work with publishers. When you're self-publishing, there's no deadline. You can publish whenever you want. Need 1, 2, 3 months to publish a single chapter? No problem. There's no editor chasing after your manuscripts. But here's the thing. Total freedom can be a double-edged sword. You might have total control over your story, but the reality is that a lot of beginners don't even know how to tell a good story. You might disagree with me because you think your story definitely has potential.
No one has ever done this kind of concept before.
You think it's good, your friends say it's good, your family says it's good, so you feel confident. We get it. But let's be honest with ourselves for a sec. Even if you've been watching anime in Japanese for years, maybe even decades, you're still probably not an expert in the Japanese language unless you properly studied it. It's the same with manga. Even if you've read and consumed manga for years, maybe even decades, you're probably not an expert at making manga or even writing a good story unless you properly studied it. And most beginners just work on their original stories without even putting any effort into learning storytelling concepts, like the basic Japanese storytelling framework called Kisho Tenketsu. It stands for Introduction, Development, Twist, and Conclusion. Or paneling rules, like making sure the reading flow of your storyboard follows an S curve. The thing with self-publishing is that everyone can just post whatever they want. There's no editor or publisher holding you to a certain standard. So, what do you get then when there's no quality control? A lot of poorly made stories. Plus, since there's no one holding you accountable to a proper publishing schedule, a lot of people who self-publish usually just end up with a lot of gaps in between works. We've seen people who've taken 6 months, 8 months, sometimes even over a year to publish another chapter of their manga. It's just so unpredictable that it's hard for you to even create a reader base because they don't know when you're going to be posting next. And then there's another huge con beginners tend to forget. Labor. When we talked to indie horror mangaka Jiji Murakami, she shared the harsh reality behind self-publishing. You basically take on every role a publisher would normally handle. Creative decisions, formatting, lettering, distribution, funding, marketing, and so much more. No one's gonna help you. You are the whole operation. Gigi admits.
That level of control and that level of management can be a lot. Some people don't want to think about the lettering or the graphic design of the book layouts. Sometimes people don't want to think about the finances of how to make the books. Some people just want to go in and create their manga and then that's it.
Now, you might feel intimidated after we've talked about all these challenges that come with self-publishing, but it doesn't mean that you can't be successful. For example, one sensei actually started by self-publishing One Punch Man as a webcomic. Ranking of Kings, which has its own anime now, also started as a self-published online manga. One of our mentors, pro-Japanese mangaka Rena Saya, has self-published her own manga, and she believes self-publishing can be a great experience for beginners since you get to see the entire production process at least once. If you're serious about monetizing your manga through self-publishing, you have to change your mindset about having total freedom. That means you can't just write a story that you think is good or that your friends and family think is good. They're biased. You have to create something that would entertain readers. That means you actually have to study. What makes a good story? What do readers like? How do you keep them hooked? One thing you also need is discipline and consistency. If you're unpredictable, it's harder for your readers to keep following you. You have to learn to stick to a schedule. And that means you can't just rely on motivation and inspiration every day. You're not gonna wake up feeling like rainbows and butterflies all the time. So, what can you fall back on? Habits. Imagine those buff people at the gym. They probably work out every day. Sometimes they might not feel like going to the gym, but they do it anyway. It's because it's already a habit. It's part of their routine. If you're decided to making your own manga, then you have to treat it the same way. If you're still watching, it probably means making your own manga isn't just a phase for you. You're serious about this, and we want to help. We set aside time each week for free manga consultation calls for aspiring mangakas who want a real plan instead of more random tutorials. On that call, we'll look at where you're at right now, pinpoint the number one thing holding you back, and map out a clear 60 to 90 day plan to move you toward a contest-ready one-shot. If it makes sense, we'll also show you how our online one-shot manga drawing program works and how you can work directly with pro Japanese mangakas and a pro manga editor. The most exciting part? We're sending some of our best students on an all-expense paid trip to Japan's biggest comic convention, where you get the rare opportunity to share your work with Japanese publishers. We'll even help you translate your work to Japanese and hire a translator on the ground. What are you waiting for? It's time to stop dreaming about your manga and actually start making it. Just book your free one-on-one manga consultation call with us by clicking the link in the description or the pinned comment. In the meantime, watch this video if you want to know the quickest way to get your manga out by this year.